It's exactly what I need. It will be a clean sweep. Woohoo! So, are you scared? I swept him away so good. Now what? Should we fly up to Bear's house now? Ah! I'm so scared! Can we fly a little lower? Enough already! I'm telling you, stop! Good. This is much better now. Let's just fly at a normal broom speed. Oh, I am excellent at flying. To the bear house we go. I want some tea. Oops. Bear, do you mean that everyone who flies a broomstick will turn into an ugly witch? So I will have a huge nose like that? Oh, I think I had enough of flying. I said I had enough of flying. Bear, but it doesn't want to let me go. Bear, please get me off of the sticky broomstick before my little nose grows big and ugly. I'm not flying anymore. Oh, come on, go! Oh, come on! Oh, come on, it's almost there! Come on! Ah, I lost it again. Hey, I want to play too now. Hey, give it back to me. I want to play the game. You hear what I say? I want to play the game. I want to play the game too. Surrender! You have nowhere to run anymore. I want to play the game. You hear what I say? I want to play the game. It's a toy for kids to play video games. There! You played a long time. We want to play. Our game is for sure over. Oh, he got it bad. Urgent care. He needs a doctor now. We have an emergency. Bear needs your help. He is in a big trouble. How can you? He's suffering, and you are making dinner here? You'll make Bear physically fit again, and then you'll go back to your cooking. Well, okay. Medical treatment did not help him. So then his friends should help him out. We have an emergency! Screaming so loud? Well, now it is for sure game over. So. Where could all of the cartoons be hiding? Let's start an investigation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look for cartoons to pick. I will press this microphone. Masha and the bear, let's go!